If your strategy runs on a 9-minute cycle, but your chart only gives you 5 or 10, you're not really trading your plan. You're rounding it off, and your signals never quite line up. Bitunix just fixed that. New intervals are here: 2, 6, 9, 10, 12, 24, 27, and 45 minutes. So you can finally chart the exact time frame your strategy was built for. Let me show you how it works. Let's say you're on ETH and your setup keys off a 9-minute rhythm. Head to the top left of your chart. That's your time frame area. On my screen, it's showing 1 minute, 5, 15, 30, and 1 hour. Those are Bitunix's default time frames. Click the little arrow to the right to expand the rest. The top section holds the standard time frames, everything from 1 minute up to 1 month. And down in the bottom section is what's new: 2, 6, 9, 10, 12, 24, 27, and 45 minutes. Want one pinned up top so it's always a click away? Just tap the star next to the number. See? 9 minutes now shows up right here in your bar. Tap the star again and it's gone. And your pinned time frames sort themselves shortest to longest, left to right, so that bar always stays clean and predictable. Now, quick word on what these time frames are shaping. Every bar on your chart is a candlestick, and each one packs one slice of time into a single shape. Usually, green means price closed higher than it opened, and red means it closed lower, though the exact colors can vary from platform to platform, or with your own settings. The thick part, the body, is the distance between the open and the close, and the thin lines poking out top and bottom, the wicks, show the full range, how high and how low price ran in that slice. Here's the thing. The time frame decides how much time each of those candles holds. A 9-minute candle tells a completely different story than a 5 or a 10. So when your strategy is built around a specific rhythm, an interval that's even a little off will smooth over the exact move you're trying to catch, or bury you in noise you don't need. Match the candle to your strategy, and every signal you read is built on the right slice of time. That's what these new intervals give you. Precision, down to the minute that actually matters to you. The chart should fit your strategy, not the other way around. That's what these new intervals are for. Click the link in the description to try them on Bitunix right now. And if this helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video!